20% down payment to move in rent-to-own condo in BGC. Tara, check natin. This is Uptown Arts Residence, one of the most exclusive residential developments in Uptown Bonifacio, BGC. What makes this project special is that there are only 12 units per floor, giving you more privacy and exclusivity. Everything you need is just walking distance. Uptown Mall, Uptown Parade, Landers, Mitsukoshi Mall, restaurants, international schools, top-tier offices, transport hub, and even the future Metro Manila subway. Check this out, the 3-bedroom unit with balcony, 125.5 square meters, semi-furnished, smart home equipped at pet-friendly. Included upon turnover are fridge, built-in oven, 4-burner cooktop, range hood, built-in cabinets, split-type inverter aircon, and full glass windows in the living and bedroom areas. Price starts at 48 million. Interested? Just comment Uptown below and I'll send you the complete details and payment terms. Inquire now.